Welcome to this video on setting compensation in OMIQ.
For this example, I have a dataset of 7 FCS files. To get started, create a new workflow.
OMIQ will recognize the data, and if there is spillover present in the FCS file, it will automatically add a compensation task, followed by a scaling task.
If you open the compensation task, you will see that OMIQ automatically parses compensation matrices within FCS files and assigns them into relevant groups.
Leave these for now and set up your scales so you can more easily visualize your compensation. To set the scales, apply a straightforward heuristic and save. Next, add a figure to the workflow and create some plots for visualization. The easiest way to do this is by using the N by N plot option under the Actions menu. Choose the features you want to plot and click Submit. Now you have a plot scenario that will allow you to visually review your compensation. A good way to do this is by using side-by-side browser windows. View the figure as a reference in one window and use the other window to set up your compensation. Now, any change to your compensation will instantly reflect across the plots in the figure. To edit the compensation, simply click and type in the values directly. You can also copy a compensation matrix from OMIQ or copy from a spreadsheet and paste them into OMIQ, overwriting the selected matrix. You can also change the group that you're looking at. As you can see, the structure of the workflow is crucial when calculating compensation, as it involves scaling your data and then visualizing the results in a figure. Without the scaling, the visualizations are not very useful. And that's how to set compensation in OMIQ. To learn more, visit omiq.ai.